Mabuhay! My name is Teacher John. I'm from the Philippines. I am a native speaker of Tagalog and my second language is English. I am a graduate of secondary education major in English. I am also a licensed professional teacher. I have been teaching English to foreign students for 2 years now. I offer tailored English and Tagalog lessons that fit your learning style and pace. I believe that learning a language should be fun, interactive, and practical. So whether you're a beginner or advanced, we'll ensure that you get the most of every lesson. Together, we'll work on speaking, reading, writing, and listening so you can gain the confidence you need to communicate effectively in Tagalog and in English. In my class, we begin with a brief history of the Tagalog language and basic words. I present PDF lessons containing the target words of the day and key sentences. And to make sure that learning occurs in each lesson, I will provide quizzes to test your memory and comprehension. So, are you ready to start this exciting language journey with me? Let's learn, practice, and grow together. I can't wait to see you in my class. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. Paalam!